Hey, ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Hello, MSD Wayne Township, and especially you, Dr. Butts. It's me, Santa Claus, sending you a special message from the North Pole. Oh, I've been busy making toys and checking my list of naughty and nice schools across the country, and I've been checking it twice. And Wayne Township, you're on the nice list. And why shouldn't you? Oh, you have worked so hard in this crazy, crazy year. And thanks to your leadership, Dr. Butts, and your cabinet, we have done a safe job of keeping our kids learning. And I know it has not been easy. Oh, Santa has seen this plan and that plan, and this plan changed and that plan changed, and then next week, start all over. So there's a lot of people that we are thankful for in Wayne Township, and Santa Claus knows everyone's done their job. Your cabinet, the personnel, the administrative offices, the business office, the secretaries, and even the IT department, all the learning at home. We've all come together and worked so hard. Santa sees that. And the CIA, you're doing all that curriculum changes and the special services to make sure, just like Santa, no child doesn't have a chance to learn and keep learning this Christmas season. And how can we forget all of our principals and our assistant principals who have never in their life had to do the kinds of things they've done? Good job. And our teachers have done such an excellent job. And the aides, and I love the custodians. They've been cleaning and double cleaning and triple cleaning to keep everybody healthy. And our cooks, oh my goodness, cooking meals and taking them and delivering them. Millions and millions of kids are kept fed because of Wayne Township. And our bus drivers, our bus drivers. Most of you on the nice list. Even you, Marcus, stay on that nice list. And our people over the operations center, we couldn't keep all this going without your hard work. And now, let's even add, the grounds people. Behind the scenes building and fixing things. Todd and all your guys have done such a great job, and Santa sees and knows all the things you're doing, and especially our security people. It's been a wonderful, wonderful year, a strange year, but Wayne Township, the staff, from Dr. Butts all the way down to everybody, has been working so hard. So what's on your Christmas wish list? Well, I know what's on your wish list. You want everybody to be back in school, learning in a safe way, and so we can be back with our colleagues and our friends, and we want to stay healthy, and it's going to happen. Just keep believing and keep making those good decisions to keep us all safe. What do we want for Christmas? I think we also want to keep having the resources and the tools to do our job. Speaking of jobs, I better get busy. I have reindeer to feed and more toys to make and a lot more Chromebooks to send your way. So I'll be checking that list to make sure Wayne Township stays on the nice list. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, Wayne Township and Dr. Butts.